Hello everyone, welcome back to Arnav Genex. Today we are gonna unbox a laptop. Its name is HP Spectre X360, which is a 2-in-1 laptop. It has an Intel Core of i7 with 12 generation. It has 512 GB state drive and Windows 11, touchscreen multi-touch enabled, and 16 onboard RAM. It has anti-reflection screen with Bang & Olufsen speakers, HP 5 megapixel IR camera with a fingerprint reader. It also has a HP rechargeable tilt pen. So let's unbox it. This laptop has also certified as iSafe display with low blue light and color accurate. First of all, we will see here the sleeve. This sleeve looks very premium and is leather quality. Here it is written HP. Now let's open the box. First of all, let's see the manuals. Now let's take a look at the charger. Here HP has provided a braided cable with a C-type port. Now let's take a look at the adapter. Here we have also provided with a USB side type to HDMI 2.0 adapter. Now let's take a look at the pen. First of all, here we have given a pen with two buttons. Second, we have given a manual with all the instructions to use the pen. Lastly, we have some normal tips for pen if the tip gets broken. Now let's take a look at the laptop. Now let's take a look at from the inside. Here it's given, first we have the keyboard, second we have a nice trackpad here. As we know, it's a Bang & Olufsen speaker here embedded, and it's an Evo certified laptop with i7 processor, and the laptop's name is also embedded here with a fingerprint scanner. First let me boot the laptop, then I will show you guys that what features it has. Here I have booted the laptop. The pen attaches to the right hand of it. Now let's test the sound. As we know, the laptop is Evo certified, so the screen won't affect your eyes if you stay on it for hours. And it has already installed the office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. As we know, the laptop is EVO certified, so the screen won't affect your eyes if you stay on it for hours. And it has already installed the office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. After all this, I have to say this laptop looks very premium and has very high specs. It would be perfect for office use and students who are doing coding. Otherwise, the laptop is really good and has a high performance.